Hello and welcome dear kids in our today's computer class. Hope you all are healthy and learning well at your home. Children, we are studying our chapter 5, Introduction to Scratch Programming. Today we are going to start the topic Moving a Sprite, which is given on page number 46 in your computer textbook. So let's start our today's study. Moving a sprite. As we have learnt in our last class, sprite is a small graphic character that performs actions in a Scratch project. It can be any character. Here on the screen, in the left hand side corner, one cat is moving. So this type of moving we can create in Scratch. All the instructions related to the movement of the sprite are given under the motion block, and this motion block is available in the left hand side window of the Scratch. Here on the screen you can see the motion block. This is motion block. Now let's know about motion block. Motion block is available in the left hand side of the Scratch window. It contains so many blocks like this here. Here only 2 is given because in our textbook only 2 are given. That's why. Motion blocks contain so many blocks. These blocks we can click and drag it to our script area to apply motion on our Scratch. Just drag and drop to the script area which block you want to use. Now let's learn first block, move number of steps. As its name, this block moves the sprite 10 steps in forward direction. You can see on the screen, this is our move number of steps block. In this block you can change these number of steps. Here 10 steps are given. After putting it in script area you can change these number of steps. Here you can type number of steps that you want. Here 10 is written. So after applying this block our sprite moves 10 steps in forward direction. To move the sprite in backward direction, use minus sign before the number of steps. For example, minus 10. If you want to move the sprite backward, then you can give minus 10 like this. You can type minus sign and then after number of 10. Then your sprite will move backward on the stage. So move block is used to move the sprite. Okay. Our next block is turn right number of degrees. Here you can see on the screen this block. Okay, turn right. We have two blocks, turn right and turn left. Both working are same, but turn right take turns to the right and turn left take turn to the left side. This is the difference. This block is used to turn the sprite in a clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means from left to right. Means it will turn right side, our right side. Okay. Use this block to turn the sprite 50 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. If you want to turn the sprite anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means from right to left. It will take left turn. Anti-clockwise means the sprite will take left turn. So you can use turn left block. Okay. So this way you can turn your sprite on the stage. Here you can change this number of degrees. This is angle. here written is 1515, so it will take turn at 50-degree angle. If you write here 5050, then it will take 50-degree turn, and if you write 9090 then it will take 90-degree angle turn, either left or right as your wish. So this way we can turn our sprite on the screen. So this is all theory about moving a sprite. Now let's see practically how can we move a sprite on the stage. Children, this is my computer screen. In your computer textbook on page number 46, moving a sprite topic is given. Here now steps are given. As per these steps we are going to make our project today. Let us create a Scratch project to move the sprite in a circular motion. So first let's open Scratch. First click on Start button, then all programs. In that find Scratch 2. Yes, this is Scratch 2. So click on it. It will open. This is Scratch window. Scratch 2 offline editor. Now let's maximize it. Yes, this is maximize button. Click on it. It will maximize our screen and it will make it full screen. Now let's read steps and do as per steps. This is our sprite. By default sprite of Scratch, cat. Yes. Now here you can see this is our motion block available in the left side of the Scratch window. In these motion blocks, so many blocks are available as you can see on the screen. These are blocks. To use these blocks, simply you have to click on this block and drag it to the script area. Like this, you can drag, and where you want to put, just left the click. Yes, this way we can drag and drop our block into script area. Now here written is move 10 steps. Click on it. It will selected. Now you can change the steps. I am writing here 2020. So it is written as move 20 steps. Now to run this block, we just have to click on this block. So let's click. When we click, this sprite will move 20 steps in forward direction. So let's click. Click. You can see our sprite is moving. Click. 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 Yes, our sprite from here to here it will move. So this way we can move our sprite in forward direction. Now if you want to move this sprite backward, then we can type here -20. So click on it, it will select it. Then after type minus sign and 20. -20. Now it will move backward. Let's click. 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 You can see our sprite is moving in backward direction. Okay, you can click so many times. It will move 20 steps backward after writing -20 steps. So this way we can move our sprite forward and backward direction. Okay. Now our next step is click on the turn right block. Turn right. Here written is 15 degrees. Just drag it to the script area and put here. And put it below the move steps block. Now here you can change the angle by clicking on 15. Okay, here number of degrees are given. The sprite will take right turn because it is turn right. Okay, so let's click. You can see our sprite is turning on the right side. It is taking right turn 15-degree only, just slight change. We are going to complete the whole circle. Click, click, click. You can see our sprite is turning on its right side at 15 degrees. Okay, so our sprite completed whole circle and come again in the earlier position. Okay, so this way we can turn our sprite in the right direction clockwise. Now let's take turn left. Just drag and drop this block in the script area. Now it will take left turn. Okay, let's click. Click, click. You can see sprite is taking left turn. Click, 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 click. When I am clicking, it will take 50-degree angle left turn. Now it is whole. Yes, here remember one thing, we can move our sprite by clicking on it and dragging this in the any part of our stage. Okay, by just click on it and drag it to the whole stage. You can put your sprite at any position on the stage. Now click on the turn right, it will take right turn as you can see on the screen. Yes, so this way we can move our sprite in the stage using motion block. Okay, children, this much study for today. In next class we will go further in this chapter and learn new topic. If you have a computer at your home, then please download Scratch software in your computer. Earlier I sent the video how can we download Scratch in our computer. So download it and make practice of these every day because it is very interesting software. You can enjoy this. Okay, so if you have computer, please try it at your home. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.